This is Mark.
And Steve.
The Chopstick Guys with your Small Bite of the Day. So we are on our way back from 2 days of shooting as a television production photographer.
Yep.
And we had some great things happen on this job.
And it's the kind of thing we try to look for all the time when we're shooting. So these are jobs that aren't, what you get to do a lot, but they're cool. But the main thing we were looking for, the main thing that we actually got out of this, besides being a fun shoot, was the people that we shot with, right? Other photographers, other videographers, guys that we actually built relationships with.
Right. Connections.
And this is all about connections, a small bite.
And it's not always about connections of like, what can I get out of it, but what can I learn from that other person? And we got to be around some of the top camera people from Hollywood working on this TV show. And
sound guys. Just great.
Picking their brain every chance we got, and what a great opportunity.
So I think that the important thing is to, what Mark just said, is to remember that, this is not about, excuse me, not about sneezing on your small bite. It's not about what can I get from you, but what can we also give back to them? And we were able to share some knowledge just about social media stuff with them.
Correct.
That was pretty important. So I want to challenge each one of you, anytime you're doing anything, make connections. You won't believe who you end up talking to. So really, really cool.
That's right. All right, this is Mark and Steve, Chopstick Guys with your Small Bite of the Day.